The other forward, number 17, Nico Mamaradlo. At guard, number 21, William C. Coming in at center, number 33, Michael Pate. At the other guard, number 4, MJ De Vera. At center, number 3, JR Taganas. At guard number 8, Domark Mateliano. The other guard number 11, Ryusei Koga.
With Coach Vic Igasiano at courtside, we have Miss Mika Abisamis. Coach Vic, kumusta ka naman?
Mabuti Ken. How are you guys? It's nice to be back.
And even Paulo Castro, that whole 5, ano yan, puro mga matagal na naglalaro dito sa MPBL. Meanwhile, Michael Pate with a reverse layup.
You might see something here today.
Go to the post, Michael Pate working on JR Taganas. Nice hook shot for early points for Michael Pate.
Michael Pate has had a lot of weight in his body right now. But do you believe that when he was 16, he was one of our best big mans in the 16 under national team? Huh?
Yeah.
He played for Nokia Pilipinas with besides sila Kiefer Ravena.
Ang mga kasabay nila,
Kiefer, Von Pesomal, maraming kasabay si Michael Pate.
Solid lineup pala yun.
And he was one of the gunners of Zamboanga.
Sa contending team yun.
Go-to guy actually, Zamboanga.
Mamaradlo able to get to the cup. 6 early points for Nico Mamaradlo. Joseph Terzo working on Mamaradlo. 10 seconds left on their shot clock. Pasaol from the middle, takes the free and makes it.
That's what.
And then yung season 5, Bacolod. Pero ano yun remnants of that Muntinlupa team yun Sila nila Puroy. As Alvin Pasaol carving out space down low. And his move na hindi naging madali against Jay Collado. Mas kalahati na tayo sa ating first quarter. Nice pass by Mamaradlo, setting up Jay Collado down low. Ball ending up with Domark Mateliano. Sasaksak siya sa baseline, mintis pa din. Jello Obuyes also gave them a spark off the bench in their last game. Picks up from where he left off, getting his first 2 points. Lamang na ulit ang Valenzuela, 14-12. Monte got blitz. Pasaol off the dribble, taking it right to Jay Collado. 7 points for Alvin Pasaol. CJ Oligario, spark plug nila off the bench. Here he is, catching the basketball and finishing in transition. Season 7 naman, last season lang naglaro si Shaq Alanes para sa Parañaque. Shot rejected by Justin Alano. Oligario, derecho for 2.
That's what I'm talking about, the Spitfire.
Triples in that third quarter, which created separation for Iloilo. Nakahabol naman yung Parañaque, but just not enough. But this guy, if he gets himself going, that could certainly help their cause. Marlon Monte gives them back the lead, 22-20.
Yeah, just a matter of time. Makukuha rin ng Parañaque yung right combination and right, paano ba sasabihin yun? Yung right timing ng panalo nila, hindi pa lang talaga tumatama.
Kung mga may listahan na daw siya ng mga nickname, mga moniker ng mga player, abangan dapat natin yan.
Hindi naman Japs ang pangalan. Kaya namin tinawag na Japs yun when he was playing for me in college.
Okay.
Tawag namin doon Hapon eh. Kasi mukhang Hapon. Tapos sinortcut lang ng mga teammates niya na Japs.
Palchauca, pinasa sa labas. Collado off the dribble. He will lay it in. Lamang ulit ang Valenzuela, 26-25.
That's a good drive. Yan yung drive na yan eh. Oh. Barreling drive. Pupulapan ka na yan.
Baseline.
Ni J.R. Anteco.
Cruz got Jay Collado up in the air. And day of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Ganda.
Nahilos. Cruz 5 on their shot clock. 3-point shot by Cruz. Tatalbong palabas. Matiliano, the offensive board. Can't hit the jumper. Finally cleared by Jay Collado. Going right at his former teammate, Shaq Taganas. And he will score plus a foul.
Look at this attack of Jay Collado. Dire-diretso eh. Shaq Taganas.
Koga launches and knocks down the trifecta.
Cannot leave Koga in that that area. Kaya kanyang tirahan anytime.
Mamaradlo sends it to Jay Collado all day to shoot. Making the defense pay with a three.
Tira niya rin yan even before he was taking those shots already. At a very good, decent shot from the three-point area. Jay Collado.
Mintis. Christian Rios. Good pass to the outside. Alanes straight away free from the corner. Taganas, pinabayaan ni Jay Collado. His jumper from free short. Bounce pass. Alanes connecting with Jay Collado.
Look at that, how Jay Collado.
Guys in white with the first possession of the third quarter. J.R. Oligario pull-up jumper that will go down. Third period led by Paul Sangas hot shooting. 6 na 3. Doon na lumayo yung kanilang kalaban. Omar Matiliano tries to change that. Hits a 3. Baba sa 7 ang kailangan nilang habulin dito.
Dahan-dahan lumayo dun yung yung kalaban nila last.
Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Kaya mahirap eh. You want to start out quarter strong, especially coming off the half na dami na napag-usapan. Pero
All the way. Ganda ng drive na yun.
Oligario sa kaliwa, pumukol sa 3. Pasok yan.
Sabi mo nga, lista mo na.
Already 9 of his 13 points. All coming in this quarter. Pero si Matiliano, unti-unti na rin nahanap yung kanyang bitaw galing sa labas. Coach Rick, back the other way. Medina doesn't have the numbers. Pulls it back out to Rusey Koga. Medina, atake, fadeaway jumper is good. Tapos yung mga recreational leagues. During that time, medyo nasa peak yan eh. Yung mga recreational leagues, doon siya talaga sumikat as Rusey Koga hits a free. Got to shake off his defender. Castro, susubok ulit. That time, he knocks it down to end the third. What a run. Si Miss Camigin is making an appearance here. In the quarter scoring natin, Coach Vic, dikit na dikit.
Sobrang dikit.
Bola nakuha ni Cruz. Castro. Clean swipe by Shaq Alanes leads to this layup in transition by J.R. Oligario.
Nag-iba na naman yung tema ng game pagpasok ni Oligario.
The unit on the floor for Coach Estong Ballesteros. Oligario sees an opening and he takes advantage of that one.
Humihit na naman sa kanan. Driving left, tapos pumunta sa kanan. Ganda.
And yet they're just down by 3 points. Castro. Wala. Nangunguna si Jello Ubuyes. Nakawala sa depensa. He will lay it in. Nakalaban nyo yan eh. Diba? UST yan eh.
Yes.
Ubuyes. Copy ka ng bola. Lester Reyes. Sobra. Collado. Nandoon. Ganun-ganun lang. Put back.
This team, Valenzuela City Dark Horse, is really high on this moment. Nakikita mo offensive rebound.
4 offensive rebounds, a total of 9 boards overall. Ubuyes with a pull-up jumper. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Valenzuela.
Just like that. Balik na agad, no? Courtesy of Oligario and J.R. Reyes.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Koga, backdoor cut. Nice finish on the interior by Jobert Medina. Having that positive mindset na alahaba pa ng season eh. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Ang dahil mang pwede mangyari and something to watch out for para sa mga taga Valenzuela. Lalo ito.
Still, we can still check on that shot.
They are at 4-5. If they get this win, they will get back to 500. Putting in a string of games that would build them some momentum moving forward. At ayan, nakaagaw pa sila. Olegario sidestep. 20 points na for JR Olegario. Fast break of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
And that fast break point came from a very...
Taganas. Ciliano coming off that screen. Umikot. Pumasa sa ilalim. Cruz rejected by Lester Reyes. Found by Lester Reyes.
Grabe yung mga rebound na yun ni Lester, yung mga offensive rebound niya.
And oftentimes it has led to second chance points. Just putting Shaq Taganas in sure guys scoring in double figures. Mateliano buries the three. Baba sa pito.
Yeah, pwede pa yan, pwede pa yan. If I am going to do this, I mean, Parañaque, you just have to pressure and make some stops, crucial stops.
They will not foul. Obuyes, runner, no. Taganas, you have to go quick. 4-on-1 fast break. Mateliano, another three-pointer is
Yun na naman.
good. Apat na lang. Valenzuela will bounce back. And notch win number 5. Against 5 losses while Parañaque, their woes continue.